Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizan Techteacher. Today you are going to get a useful video lesson for your social media account creation. Do you want to create social media accounts like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc, etc? If you want to earn by your social media accounts, if you want to set up your social media accounts professionally and in a modern region, in a modern look, this video lesson is only for you, and you should watch the video lesson from the beginning to the end of this video lesson. And this video lesson will help you to create and set up your social media accounts, and this video lesson will show you how you can earn money, how you can earn dollars by your social media accounts. Social media accounts are not only for posting photos, not only for comments or share. These social media accounts in modern age can give you huge amount of dollars, huge amount of money. So before going to start our main video lesson, I'd like to invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel and keep the bell button on so that you can get all the update video lessons notification at first. So before our main video lesson, I would like to also thank those who have subscribed my YouTube channel. So let's see on the screen. Let's get started.
Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create Twitter account easily and professionally. I also show you how to post or how to tweet on Twitter. And this process is very easy, and every inch and ounce I will show you here. And before going to start our main video lesson, I would like to invite you to subscribe this YouTube channel and keep the bell button on so that you don't miss any updated video lesson of this YouTube channel. This is one of the most important platforms where you'll get various and several video lessons on digital marketing, social media marketing, and social media accounts. And here you will also get how to work on online marketing places and how to earn from there. So let's get started our video lesson. First, I will have to select a browser. I will select Google Chrome browser to go to my main session. This I will maximize my screen, and then I will search on the Google search bar writing twitter.com twitter.com. Just I will click on enter, and if I search here, I will get an interface like this. This is the main home interface of Twitter. And then if I want to create a new account, I will go to sign up, and if I have an existing account, I will go to login. But I would like to create a new account, that's why I will go to sign in. You will just click on sign in, and you will get this interface, and you will here enter your name, which name you want to use on Twitter account. I will here write Mizan SEO expert. Mizan SEO expert. Here I have written the name Mizan SEO expert. I will here use my email. This is the email. I will here enter with here 1303 @gmail.com with here and then I here enter my date of birth, first month, then days, and then years when you were born, and I'll enter here the years. Then we'll click on next, then click on next again, and here you'll find your basic information, and then you will just click on sign up, and your account will be created after clicking on sign up. And here you will have to give the verification code which has been sent to your Gmail account. I will here logging my Gmail account, and if I logging my Gmail account, I'll have to give password. Here I will give my password and to logging my Gmail account, and I will go to my Gmail where a verification code has been sent, and if you give this verification code to your account will be secured and your account will be completed. And here we see that a verification code has been sent here, and I will just write here the verification code to complete my Twitter account, and I will just click on next, and then I'll have to select a password. And here I will give the password, and this after giving this password I'll just click on next. I'll not save it, and I will here give a purple picture. I will here give my own purple picture, and you must try to give any professional purple picture. Here I'll give a purple picture, and I can search. My purple picture are here, and these are my purple picture, and I can use any of them from here. And I will try to use a professional purple picture here, but I want to take another chance to select my purple picture. So if you here give your purple picture, your account will be created. As I am a professional freelancer, I must give my perfect. I'll just click here on apply. If you don't click on apply, your purple picture will not be selected. Then you will just click on next. As I have given my purple picture, I will have to here give my bio. When anybody visits my profile, my biodata will be shown there. That's why it should be also professional. I am a professional. I'm a professional freelancer, digital marketer and SEO expert. I can promote your brand or business. Promote your brand or business to millions of audiences by digital services. Just contact me. Just contact. Here I cannot give more than 60 characters. Just contact. So this is my bio. After completing my bio data, I will click on next, and my account has been successfully created. If I upload some contacts, if I have any email accounts here, I will not select any email accounts now. Just I'll click one, not now, and here I will get some suggestion whom I can follow. So these are some prominent figures whom I will follow, and some media, some newspapers, some TV channels. And now I will show you how you can tweet on Twitter. If you want to tweet any picture or anything here, just go to media, and if you want to here give any GIF, or here this is for poll, and this is for some emoji, and this is schedule. If you want to make any post schedule or schedule, you will go here. I will click here to bring any photo to post here. Here I will post this photo, and I will write something here. I am a professional digital marketing expert. I can promote your website or business to millions of audiences easily. Just contact me now. Then I will give some hashtag or trending. First hashtag is China. Then I will give the hashtag digital marketing. Digital services. Then I will give social media marketing. Then I will give Twitter marketing. Twitter, I will have to give the hash at first to make any hashtag or trending. Twitter marketing. Twitter marketing. There is no hashtag like Twitter marketing or Twitter. Just I'll select Twitter. Then if you want to make this post schedule, you will just go to schedule and you will select date and time. But I don't like to make it schedule. I will go to make it publish now. Then I will just click on tweet, and your tweet or your post will be tweeted, and your post will be shown here, and you can hear like this is to retweet it. This is for replay. If you want to comment here anything, you can just click here to replay. Here this is for share. If you want to share this post on your website or on your account, you will just go here, and this is for analytics, what is the number of your traffics coming here. I'll just click on my profile, and you will show my biodata here and how many people are following me, how many people I'm following. And this is my first tweet here, and the name here, Mizan SEO expert. And my this is my account name. And I hope that you have understood how to create a Twitter account and how to tweet on Twitter account. And this was very enjoyable, and this was very easy for you. So before concluding, before ending my video lesson, I'd like to invite you to be connected always with this YouTube channel Here you will get a very important video lesson for your digital marketing, for your SEO, for your professional career here. So I hope that you have greatly enjoyed this video lesson and you will never stop learning from this YouTube channel. So today I would like to finish here. Thanks for watching. Tata, goodbye.